Hello, welcome to Impact ERP. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up B2B lead cycle. First of all, go to main menu. Under the ERP tools, click Deal Settings. So from the CRM tab, you can manage your pipeline against your deal or inquiry. You can configure activity types, specify possible loss reasons of deal. So first of all, we will create pipeline. Here you can add new pipeline. Type the pipeline title, stage name, and you can select the live stage, whatever it is, customer, lead, opportunity, and click save. So your pipeline has been created. You can also edit your pipeline, add a new stage. So uh, from the second tab, you can configure activity types. Click add new, type the name of your activity. For example, I will here write search and select the symbol against icon against it and click save. As you can see, the activity has been added. You can edit it. Similarly, you can see if you can manage your call activity, meeting, etc. From the third tab, you can manage your loss reasons of deal. If your deal is marked loss, you can manage here. I click on add new and type here. You can type here whatever the reason behind the loss deal, maybe poor quality, whatever it is. Click save. Thank you.